If you wanted to make your GUI accessible on gamepads or consoles, you would have to create a virtual cursor system or set these properties for your GUI objects, which isn't the best thing to do. Roblox released a new update as a beta feature some months ago, and it's now available to everyone. This feature allows you to have a virtual cursor on screen for gamepads and consoles. You need to set virtual cursor mode property of starter GUI to enabled from default. They'll probably change this default setting to be enabled later on. I connected a controller to test this feature. Mine is a DualShock 4, so share button opens the cursor for me. In Xbox controllers, that will be a different button, probably the button on left. As you can tell, click works exactly like the normal mouse, and probably hover works like it too. However, I don't think that this has a left click alternative. You can see all supported mouse events by this virtual cursor right now. This article will be linked in the description. I should note that if you have selectable property of a GUI object disabled, they won't be able to get selected by this virtual cursor, but it will be clickable with PC cursor. Also, this is same with active property. If you have some GUI objects on each other with different Z indexes, the one with biggest Z index will be selected. I didn't demonstrate these in my video, because it's pretty basic info in my opinion. That was it for this video. Hope you understood. See you in another one.